Hey everybody, welcome back to the homestead. This week we're working on a hay and pellet feeder for the sheeps. Now I'm going to make this kind of custom fit to go between the nursery and the rest of the pasture. That way we can just put hay in one spot and grain on both sides so the moms and the father can eat but not be near each other. So what I got here is I'm pretty sure it's a 3 by 2.5 foot tray. It's actually for a rabbit cage. This is only about 20 bucks. And then you got right here just some metal wire. The whole thing, it's, what is that? 2 inch by 2 inch squares, 16 foot long. Got it all for 100 bucks. So hoping I can get this a lot cheaper than the ones I could buy at the store. I saw them range there from about $200 for ones that you had to suspend yourself or mount yourself, all the way up to $300 for like a pretty small ground level one, and then for larger animals, a little more sturdy, I even saw like $600 bucks. So really thinking that I can make this whole thing, I think maybe a third of the price of, hey, maybe even a fifth of the price of what you might buy at a store. All right, well, let's try it out.